What's my lathe doing outside? Well, there's a good reason. My lathe is outside. Why? Well, the good reason is I just sold it. It's no longer mine. Guy's picking it up in a few minutes and starting his own career as a wood turner. So I wish him all the luck in the world. This tool has served me really well. So what's going to happen? Because I do love turning. I love turning a lot. Well, there's good news. Daddy is getting a new tool. It's here. It's here. Yay! Meat sarcophagus. Reminds me of Chernobyl. And there it is in all its glory. Wow, that's a huge machine.
So I bought this lathe from Woodchuckers in the Toronto area, which is about a 6-hour drive away from my house. So big shout out to the folks at Woodchuckers who got the lathe, assembled it in their shop, which is a really clever idea, and then delivered it, as you see, just using their homemade sarcophagus and trailer. Big shout out as well to Peter and Hadler, I hope I got that right, who were instrumental in delivering this in one piece and getting it into the shop as well, placing it into the right area. I absolutely loved dealing with these folks. They were fantastic. All in all, I would recommend their services any day.
Well, my shop still looks like a mess, but the beast is installed. Time to give it a whirl. All right, so pull this out, make sure everything is free, and off we go. All right. 1800 RPM. I sense absolutely no vibration. I know it's a small piece, but at least it's good to see what it's feeling like. Okay. I'm so used I'm so used to going where my old switch was. Here I am reaching with my right hand, but no, I gotta switch gears. It's somewhere else now. All right, let's put a bowl on this and see what happens. All right, so I mounted a bowl blank. Again, I believe this is Ambrosian maple. And it's pretty stable already, so it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna take, since I think I can do this, yeah. I'm gonna take my control box Move it to the side when I'm more comfortable and more used to doing things. Start this off really nice and slow. Well, this is a really very wet piece of stock, and the lathe is already starting to jump at around 300 RPM, so that's what we're going to keep it at. It's heavy, it's wet, and it's unbalanced, so it's there's been quite a bit of vibration. I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to come back tomorrow and just play around with this. This is just a piece for fun, frankly. Maybe it'll crack overnight. Anyways, I'm going to take a chance with it. But so far, this is I would have never been able to put a piece this heavy and this big on my other lathe. So I'm quite happy with the start. Plus, turning is so much fun. So much fun. All right, folks, I'm going to leave it at that. There'll be projects, obviously, in the coming weeks on how I'm starting to take advantage of this lathe. I'm happy. I'm happy. I have the lathe that will outlast me, and I'm gone big. Instead of going big or go home, I've gone big. And I'm happy about that. Thanks for watching, folks. I'll see you in the next video when we take this puppy for a bigger test. All right, one last little cut. One last one.